The Doogee VMAX LR Pro versus the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. Which of the two 5G rugged phone is equipped with the best specs? Well, in this video we're going to find out by comparing the specs of both devices side by side. The VMAX LR Pro is Doogee's latest 5G rugged phone. The device is currently not available, so don't bother to look for it, but I'm expecting it to launch officially very soon. The device is also expected to cost about $500, but I'm only speculating. There is no official price, no official launch date yet, but if I could get those details, I'll share with you guys. Anyway, if you're new here, feel free to subscribe if you're interested in the latest tech news and updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have you guys, the VMAX LR Pro versus the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. Personally, the Tank 4 Pro is a far more better device, but of course the Tank 4 Pro is much more expensive. The VMAX LR Pro is also not a cheap device, but it's not as expensive as the Tank 4 Pro, but it's obviously an inferior device. Well, except for its battery capacity, though. Its battery capacity is super large, and it's of course one of its unique selling points. It also has a laser rangefinder. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.